Let us solve this problem. The bearing of a point A and B from a common point C are 30 degrees and 290 degrees respectively. Find the bearing of A from B if A and B are equidistant from C. This is how to solve it. According to the question, the bearing of point A and B from C are, that means we want to start the drawing by C. So now let us mark C somewhere here. So let us call here C, and this is north. A is 30 degrees from C. That means you now draw 30 degrees here and you mark this place as to A. So 30 degrees. What about B from C? Is 290 degrees. So if that means you're going to start, remember the movement always start from the North Pole. So if you move here to here, this is 90, and you reach this place, it will be 180. Even here, if you can move up to this place, it is 270. So 290 will stop somewhere here as quadrant. So 290. So you now draw. So this place is 290 degrees. So you now mark the course here. So this is B. So now let's start something here. So 90, that means if here is 90, 270, then here will be 20 degrees because 270 plus 20 is 290. So, and this place now, it will be 70 degrees. So, the whole of this angle here will be 100 degrees. And according to the question again, that A and B are equidistant from C. That means distance from here to here, the same. That means the triangle must be an isosceles triangle, a triangle in which the sides are equal and the base too must be equal. So that means from here to here, and this is the base. This is the base. So sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So if you remove 100 here, what remains here will be 80. So 80 divided by 2 degree 40. That means this place is 40 degrees and this place too is 40 degrees. Why? Because the triangle is an isosceles triangle. So we're now going to find the bearing of A from B. That means the angle from here to here is now the bearing. So how do you find the angle here? It's very easy. Now let us see. This place is 70. That means this place too will be 70 degrees. So from here to here is 180 angle on a straight line. So you have removed 40 and 70. That means the bearing of A from B. So the bearing of A from B will be equals to 180 degrees minus 70 plus 40 degrees, which now will be 180 minus 110. So if you subtract that, you are going to get 70 degrees. That is the final answer.